Hello, I'm asking the student to use a blog to help create some individualized concepts. One for design, another exploration, another would be communication, and last cooperation, even at a global stage, not just in our own classrooms, in our own district, in our own state, but furthermore. I've created a blog here that they can use. Some of the stuff that I've started off by asking a question is, what is a problem solver? Why are problem solvers? What is a problem finder? Why are problem solvers and problem finders considered to be different things? Why is a problem finder considered to be more creative than a problem solver? These are just some questions I want the students to dive into. They ask themselves to explore a little bit, do some research, and then they can use the blogs, whether they use mine or they create their own blog, to go global, to put on their undiscovered problem, to ask questions, to have other people give them feedback on whether this problem itself is really truly undiscovered. Has it been found before? Has anyone asked the same question? What kind of language is being used in this question? What kind of solutions may be floating around if there is one? What kind of language was used to try to find a solution? Was the solution successful or unsuccessful? Tons and tons of questions that I want them to ask themselves and to keep on digging, because a problem has a cycle. It can come back to the beginning and create more problems. It can solve more problems, or it can completely terminate where it's at. These are the questions they need to ask themselves, and I would love for them to use a blog to get individual results from a global network. Thank you.